cutie.
Okay.
No. Let's keep walking.
We're going this way, honey.
Let's keep walking, shall we?
Going the wrong way.
No. I'm stealing him. He's coming home with me.
You guys are going home.
No. Oh, yeah. It's so light and so cute. And think of how many fleas he has.
I don't see.
Put them in your head.
I don't see any
Fleas, and his ears look clean. His eyes look really clean.
Boing, boing, boing.
I don't see any jumping things.
Until I look.
Oh, honey, it's okay with me. It's not up to me.
We could sing a birthday present.
Yeah, and Mrs. Gal gave it to us, and we cannot say no to Mrs. Gal. She's so cute, so nice. Go home before we steal you. Go home. I can take him up to the step and drop him off.
Victoria, come with us and film.
Oh. Look at his face. Its angelic little face.
I'll take him and I won't.
Oh, thank you, look at
I bet they locked us out. Yeah. She's spraying her plant with soapy water. And it's spraying on me. Oh well.
Come to the city. We're taking over the world. We're taking over the world. We are the city with the lights strung out on the evergreen trees and the yard lit up so the neighbors can see. Come on and get a show on you.
I didn't.
You're going to get it. Oh, your feet, my foot.
It's gone.
It's like gone.
I think I just stepped on something disgusting. I killed it! Stop! She's really spraying me, and it hurts a lot.
She cut me deep and it hurts a lot. She hit me with a bad shot and never gave a second thought. That's too much drama for me